Is your Galaxy phone's always-on display acting weird lately? You're not alone. But don't worry, Samsung just dropped a fresh update to fix it. Samsung is now rolling out a new update for its always-on display AOD app, version 8.9.067, and it's aimed at devices running One UI 7. This update brings some handy improvements and bug fixes to make your AOD experience smoother and more reliable. What's new? After updating to One UI 7, some Galaxy users noticed a strange issue where the AOD clock appeared in the wrong spot, especially when using custom ClockFace styles. It looked off, either shifted or misaligned. Samsung confirmed this bug, and now with this new AOD update, that annoying glitch should finally be gone. Besides the fix, the update also brings better performance and stability for your always-on display. So if you want everything looking sharp and running smoothly, this is an update you'll want to grab ASAP. How to update. 1. Open the Galaxy Store. 2. Tap on the menu. 3. Go to Updates. 4. Look for Always On Display 8900.67 and hit Update. You can also use a third-party link to download the update if it's not showing up yet. A sneak peek at One UI 8. There's a cool new animation coming in One UI 8 that just leaked, and it looks amazing. When switching from the AOD screen to the lock screen, the clock gently grows a bit and slides down into place. It's smooth, stylish, and gives your phone that extra premium feel. So whether you're fixing bugs on One UI 7 or getting hyped for One UI 8, Samsung is definitely keeping things fresh.